In fact, amidst friction between the Delhi government and the centre over various matters, staying with news on the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. Well, he today went to meet the Prime Minister a short while back. Kejriwal called on the Prime Minister at his office to discuss the recent power struggle between the centre and the Delhi government. Kejriwal is understood to have also raised the tussle with Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, land crunch for development projects and transfer and postings of bureaucrats. After the meeting, the Prime Minister Kejriwal also said that he told the Prime Minister that he will fulfill Swachh Bharat and Digital India in Delhi, but for that, better communication with the centre is needed.
चुनी हुई सरकार ऑर्डर पास करती है और उधर से केंद्र सरकार से आ जाता है कि आपके ऑर्डर को नल एंड वॉइड डिक्लेयर किया जाता है। ऐसे कितनी बार हुआ होगा कि गवर्नर ने गुजरात के सरकार के ऑर्डर्स को नल एंड वॉइड किया होगा? एक भी ऐसा किस्सा नहीं है। जब वो खुद गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री थे तो केंद्र सरकार में कांग्रेस की सरकार थी। ऐसी कितनी बार हुआ होगा कि कांग्रेस सरकार ने गुजरात की चुनी हुई सरकार के ऑर्डर्स को नल एंड वॉइड किया होगा? एक भी ऐसा किस्सा नहीं है। तो दिल्ली के अंदर जब ये किया जा रहा है, ये इतिहास में पहली बार हो रहा है। आपका सपना स्वच्छ भारत का है, हम आपके सपने को पूरा करेंगे। मैं आपको वादा करता हूँ, आप दिल्ली सरकार के साथ कोऑपरेट कीजिए। 2 साल के अंदर दिल्ली को चमका के दिखा देंगे हम आप स्किल इंडिया चाहते हैं, हम दिल्ली में स्किल इंडिया करके दिखाएंगे। हम दिल्ली के अंदर डिजिटल इंडिया करके दिखाएंगे। हम दिल्ली के अंदर आपको स्वच्छ भारत करके दिखाएंगे। दिल्ली के अंदर स्वच्छ दिल्ली करके दिखाएंगे। हम आपके सपने को पूरा करेंगे। लेकिन बहुत ज़रूरत है कि हमारे और आपके दिल्ली सरकार की और हमारी राजनीतिक विचारधाराएं जो हैं वो बीच में नहीं आनी चाहिए।
Ankit Tyagi joins us for more on this. Ankit, now it's very interesting, and this meeting, does assume a lot of significance in the wake of Arvind Kejriwal himself taking potshots at the Prime Minister, accusing the Prime Minister of stalling development work in the national capital.
That's right. This has been, in fact, one of the strategy as far as Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, is concerned. On one hand, he goes out in the media and gives these statements against the Prime Minister and, accuses him of interfering as far as the governance in Delhi is concerned. On the other, he kept asking the Prime Minister to meet him so that he could explain how he can turn Delhi around. And also in this meeting as well, he said that there is a lot of interference, and if you give me a free hand to run Delhi in 2 years, I would be able to turn Delhi around. So this has been a strategy as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. On one hand, on the other, goes on to show that he's trying his best so that the deadlock can be resolved and he can work for the people of Delhi, so that by the end of 5 years, if Kejriwal government does not perform, he would be able to go back to the people and say, I tried my best, I even tried to negotiate with them, they were not ready.
All right, Ankit, thank you so much for joining us and getting an update on that meeting between the Delhi CM and the Prime Minister of our country.